Jean-Frederic Bazille was born December 6, 1841, died November 28, 1870, was a French Impressionist painter. Many of Bazille's major works are examples of figure painting, in which he placed the subject figure within a landscape painted on plein air. Bazille grew up in the Domaine de Meric, a wine-producing estate in Castelnau-le-Lez, near Montpellier, owned by his family. He became interested in painting after seeing some works of Eugène Delacroix. His family agreed to let him study painting, but only if he also studied medicine. Bazille began studying medicine in 1859, and moved to Paris in 1862 to continue his studies. There he met Pierre-Auguste Renoir and Alfred. Sisley, was drawn to Impressionist painting, and began taking classes in Charles Gleyre's studio. After failing his medical exam in 1864, he began painting full-time. His close friends included Claude Monet, Alfred Sisley, and Édouard Manet. Bazille was generous with his wealth, and helped support his less fortunate associates by giving them space in his studio and materials to use. Bazille was just 23 years old when he painted several of his best-known works, including The Pink Dress. This painting combines a portrait-like depiction of Bazille's cousin, Therese d'Aurs, who is seen from behind in the sunlit landscape at which she gazes. His best-known painting is Family Reunion, painted 1867 to 1868. Frederic Bazille joined his Zouave regiment in August 1870, a month after the outbreak of the Franco-Prussian War. On November 28 of that year, he was with his unit at the Battle of Beaune-la-Rolande, his officer having been injured. He took command and led an assault on the German position. He was hit twice in the failed attack and died on the battlefield at the age of 28. His father traveled to the battlefield a few days later to take his body back for burial at Montpellier in the Protestant cemetery over a week later.